The animal care portion of ProAction is focused on ensuring Canadian dairy farms strive for excellence in cow comfort. A key goal of this program is reducing the number of injuries on dairy farms. Injuries refer to hair loss, swelling, and/or broken skin or lesions on the hocks, knees, and neck. Hock and knee injuries require corrective action when they receive a score of 2 or 3, which means moderate to severe swelling and/or lesions are present. For neck injuries, any amount of swelling or lesions will receive a score of 2, which requires corrective action. We're particularly concerned with lesions because they're painful, can become infected, and contribute to an increased rate of lameness. Injuries can occur due to slips and falls, but more often they occur because cows have had to adapt to repetitive irritation from abrasive stall features, like lying surfaces and neck rails. Injury prevention should be our primary goal. This helps maintain cow health and comfort, has been shown to improve production, increase lying time, and your bottom line. Many injuries can be prevented through management and housing design. Stall dimensions affect lying times, lying position, and ease of standing. We want cows to be able to lie on their side with their legs comfortably extended and supported by a soft resting surface. It's critical that you design stalls for your cows, which means measuring your adult cows. Generally, wider stalls improve lying time, reduce perching, and prevent lameness. Longer stalls allow enough space for cows to lunge and easily stand up and lie down, which is important because a cow puts a lot of pressure on her knees when she stands. Neck rails and brisket boards should also be positioned to prevent obstruction of normal resting behaviors. Stalls with mattresses or concrete stall bases without sufficient bedding have been identified as an important cause of hock and knee injuries and decreased lying time because they can be abrasive and unsupportive. Mattresses need to be inspected periodically because they can wear out, and certain mats can collect urine or manure, which can contribute to mastitis. No matter what stall base you have, providing a good amount of clean, dry bedding is best practice and a ProAction requirement. Here, bedding depth is key, where 2 to 3 inches on top of mattresses or concrete bases is adequate to prevent injuries. Deep bedding, especially the use of deep sand bedding, has been consistently linked to lower hock and knee injuries. The frequency, cleanliness, and moisture level of bedding are also important factors for cow comfort. Providing bedding keeps animals warm, clean, comfortable, and free of injuries. Handling is also important. Animals that are moved too quickly can slip and fall, injuring their joints. It's all about quiet, low-stress handling in environments that offer good traction. Remember, cows that are older, weak, or recovering need to be handled with extra care. Research is also showing us that access to the outdoors can lead to fewer feet and leg problems. If you're evaluating different options to improve your herd's injury scores, consider providing your cows with more exercise outdoors. Now, while prevention is the goal, we also need strategies to reduce and treat injuries. The most important key to success when treating injuries is early identification. The quicker we intervene, the more likely the cow will respond and recover. Moving cows to sand bedding, bedded packs, or pasture leads to faster healing for hock and knee injuries. The first ever Canadian study on this reports that moderate hock injuries will often take 2 months to resolve. This means that these cows require a more comfortable environment for a significant period of time to properly heal. Injuries are also painful, especially when swelling lesions are present. It may make sense to treat a cow with an anti-inflammatory medication. The use of additional medication and/or housing separately on a bedded pack may also improve chances of recovery. Talk to your veterinarian about the best approach for your farm. They can also provide advice for monitoring, identifying, and treating injured animals to maximize the chances of recovery. Remember, injuries take time to heal, so be patient before you reassess the situation, and keep records of your changes to know if they're working. Talk with your advisors about where you're at, review your cattle assessment report from ProAction, and come up with a plan that works for you to prevent and treat injuries in your herd.